Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about the energy expended in moving a point charge and line integral. Now today we will study about this definition of potential difference and potential. So already you know that expression for work done by external source in moving a charge q from one point to other in electric field is W is equal to minus q integration over initial and final E dot dl. This is the equation, already you know that. Now what is the potential difference? So potential difference is nothing but work done by an external source in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another in an electric field. So that is defined as a potential difference. That is nothing but you have to make q is equal to 1. So that is what potential difference. So V is equal to minus integration over initial condition to final condition E dot dl. This is the definition for potential difference, right? Now we shall set an agreement on the direction of movement of VAB. That is the nothing but potential difference. The signifies the potential difference, right, between points A and B, and is the work done in moving the unit charge from B, that is last, and to a first, that is named A. So direction is also very important point here. That defines a VAB, that signifies the potential difference between point A and B and work done in moving the charge from B to A. Okay, so this is about the equation of potential difference. Right, now next, potential difference is measured in joules per coulomb. Also, however, volt is defined as a more common unit. Now the potential difference between points A and B is, so VAB this is equal to minus you can have initial condition and final conditions as A and B, E dot dl V. If VAB is a positive, if work is done in carrying the positive charge from B to A, that is VAB is positive, right? Now from the line charge example, we found that work done in taking a charge q from A, from rho is equal to A to rho is equal to B was W is equal to minus q rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught log of B by A, right? Or from rho to B, rho is equal to B to rho is equal to A, so we get W is equal to q rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught log of A by B it is, right? Or you can write q of rho L divided by 2 pi epsilon naught log of B by A, right? That is both are equal, right? Either it can be initial to final. Thus the potential difference between points A to rho is equal to A to rho is equal to B is that is VAB is equal to W by Q rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught log of B by A it is, right? So either it can be direction of, okay, sorry, just one thing is minus here, right? W is equal to minus it is, I just forgotten minus. If you want to interchange from the direction, it will be in terms of minus now here, right? So from B to A it will be what? It will be minus. Now if you want to change from A to B, this is minus B by A. Now if it is B to A, it is minus. You can write it as a plus, you can make it as a plus as B by A, right? You can make it as a plus. So that is what you can have equation for VAB in terms of line charge, right? Now for a point charge, we find the potential difference between points A and B at a radial distance RA and RB, choosing an origin at Q. So here you know E is equal to this one equation, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square A, and dl is this. Now VAB is nothing but this equation, you know. Put the value of E here, put the value of dl, so that becomes what? The equation for potential difference. Now after integrating, what you will get is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RA minus 1 by RB. So this is for a point charge. If you want to define a potential difference, if RB is greater than RA, then VAB is greater than 0 and WAB is also greater than 0, At that case, work expended by external source, that is us. If RB is less than RA, then VAB is less than 0, WAB is less than 0. Work done by electric field it is. So this is a potential difference for a point charge, choosing a radial distance of RA and RB. Okay, so next, if it is often convenient to speak of potential or absolute potential of a point rather than a potential difference between 2 points. So we need to speak about only potential or absolute potential rather than speaking about potential difference. For this purpose, we must firstly specify the reference point which we consider to have a zero potential. So for that, we need to consider a reference point or a zero potential point. The most universal zero reference point is ground, right, which means the potential of the surface region of the earth is a zero potential. Now another widely used reference point is infinity. Right. So for cylindrical coordinates, in discussing an coaxial cable, the outer conductor is selected as 0, that is a reference for potential, right. You can take any point, that is a reference point as a 0 or reference point as a infinity, and you can obtain a potential over that point instead of considering it as a potential difference. So if potential at point A is VA and then at P is VB, then VAB is equal to VA minus VB, right. So it will be difference between the potential at A and potential at B. This was about the potential and potential difference. Thank you.